How to find Instagram password and username. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Instagram password and username. In order to do so, first of all, ensure that you have saved your password in your Google account. Only then you'll be able to access it. For that, first of all, you'll need to open the settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. And once you reach to the settings page, here you will need to scroll down to find the Google option. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open it. And here in this page, tap on this continue option at the right side just below the password manager section. Once you tap on it, this will take you to your password manager page. Now here you will need to scroll to find the Instagram. Scroll down to find the Instagram and once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it. Here you may need to use your PIN or fingerprint in order to recognize yourself. And after that, here you'll be able to see the Instagram. And after that, you'll be taken to this page. Now here you'll be able to see your username and password of your Instagram account. Also ensure that saved login info option is enabled in the Instagram app settings that allows you to log in without needing to remember your password. If in case you haven't saved your password in your Google Password Manager, then you may go to the Instagram login page or Instagram app and then in the login interface, tap on the forget password link and then enter your email address. After that, Instagram will send you a link that includes a username. For that, you will also need to have access to the email associated to your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to find your Instagram username and password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.